Shri Sai Ram. The youth of Odisha are going to present a short play, Kingdom of God, Here and Now. The short play is based on a true incident. The youth of Ambodala Samiti of Raigada district in Odisha presented a drama on 81st birthday of Swami in the Samiti. The story was about a group of young men who were inspired by Bhagavan Baba to take up the project of a home for the destitute. They named it Karunalaya. The drama was well enacted and appreciated by everyone. But then comes the divine direction in a strange way.
Are you only acting or doing anything? Make it a reality. Make it a reality.
Baba, Baba, I am just a tiny creature of your vast creation. How it is possible on my part to make it a reality? Tell me, Baba. Tell me. Tell me.
Wow! What an acting by Trinath Bhaiya. Superb! Mind-blowing!
I thought Trinath Bhaiya was not acting at all. He was doing so in real life.
What happened, Trinath Bhaiya? You seem to be in a different world. What happened?
Yes, brothers. I am now in a different world. Yesterday night, after the play, Swami came in my dream.
Swami came in dream?
And asked me, are you only acting or doing anything? Make it a reality. Since then, I have been thinking how to follow Bhagwan's commands.
Yes, we must do something.
We must follow the master. But what do you want to do, Trinath Bhaiya?
Bhagwan's student Avinash started an orphanage. We can also do that.
Yes,
we shall do so.
But how? It needs money and a lot of it. None of us has enough money for such a project.
If Swami wants us to do something, he will provide us with means to do it.
Look, Mohan Bhaiya is coming this way.
After I watched your drama yesterday, there are a few things I wanted to tell all of you. The drama you presented yesterday is irrational, though you all acted well.
Why irrational?
It can't happen. No, it can't. This is not the way to grapple with reality. Why should I bother about what happens to others? This is a fighting world in which I must struggle to exist. You young men are educated. You have energy. You are talented. Why don't you take some good job and live in comfort? Why do you waste your life in Baba's business?
Mohan Bhaiya.
Wait, Raja. Mohan Bhaiya, can you tell me the difference between animal and man? Animal lives for itself, while man lives for others. Our Baba says, if you want to live like human beings, you cannot live for yourself alone.
All this is good philosophy only, but impractical.
Why impractical? Our Baba is 83 now. He has lived all these 83 years for others. He does not have a bank account, nor an inch of land in his name. He is the poorest person on earth by your standard. But millionaires consider themselves blessed if they are accepted to serve his mission of mercy. Our Baba has brought religion closer to man and man closer to God. So he is God for us and we want to follow him.
We are going to set up an orphanage and run it to make men out of deserted children.
It needs money, my friend. Lakhs of rupees.
Our Baba will provide us.
If your Baba provides you with 50,000 by this weekend, then I will give you 4 acres of land in half a price.
You sing well, my boy. You sing well. Who taught you this song?
Anuva Chacha taught me this song. Babu, I have not eaten a full meal from last Sunday.
What about your father, mother?
I have not seen my father. My mother died last year. I'm alone now.
Bhagwan's Leela has started unfolding. Enjoy it, my brother. Enjoy it. He has given us the first boy for Sai Karunalaya. He is the provider. He is the doer. Let us be instruments in his hand. Brothers, Bhagwan has started working. The first check for the orphanage.
But Trinath Bhaiya, this check is in your name.
So what? But this is Bhagwan's money. You know, 6 months ago I joined Bajaj Allianz Insurance as a consultant. I gave them business for 15 lakhs during last 3 months. And this is my commission. Now we can start our work with this.
Hey Mohan Bhaiya, you see here is a check of rupees 50,000. Bhagwan's first installment for his work.
Oh, this is Trinath's check from Bajaj Allianz Insurance.
But he has given this check for our Baba's work.
The whole of it? But I could have never done this.
Mohan Bhaiya, when you believe that everything that comes to you comes from God for a specific purpose, then there will be no difficulty. Mohan Bhaiya, Banwali uncle is the chairman of our Seva Samiti.
Boys, I have some good news for you. You know, my son Jagannath had been to US for a training. He had saved some money from the trip. He decided to give all this money for your work. Here is the check for 2 lakhs drawn in the name of Trinath.
2 lakhs?
Yes, I am sure you will make proper use of it.
He has shown us that he is the master. He gives his hand to lead. Let us hold his hand and march with God.
Brothers, but now I admit, you are living in a powerful and peaceful world. I am prepared to register the piece of land I offer to you any day of your choice. And you may give the money whenever you can.
Brothers, suggest a name for the divine project.
Do you have a better name than Sai Karunale?
Yes, that is also the divine Sai touch.
Brothers, we will now pledge to take his lead and go with him wherever he takes us. Now let us move to start our work.
प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए बेसहारों को गम के मारों को लाकर इसमें बसाए हिम्मत काम आएगी मेहनत रंग लाएगी अपने इतने हाथ हैं बाबा अपने साथ है आओ मिलके हम में घर बनाए.
Don't thank me. Rather, I should thank you.
You thank us? I don't understand.
You don't know, Trinath, how your Baba and you have saved me from a great blunder. I wanted to establish a small chemical factory on the land I gave you. The chemicals that I wanted to manufacture secretly are used in handy explosives. An industrialist of another state promised to finance it and buy 90% of the product. But now, that industrialist has been arrested. Tira, your Baba has saved my life. While you were busy with saving people, I would have been busy killing people. In an explosive moment that day, I thought I would show you how foolish you are. But how could I guess your God had plans to come to my rescue in spite of my nature? Please, Trinath, please accept my piece of land as a gift for your Sai Karunala. And accept me in your group.
Brothers, listen. Here is another unfolding of Bhagwan's master plan. Mohan Bhaiya is now one of us. He has gifted the land for Bhagwan's work.
I am glad that I am a part of Baba's brigade now.
Brothers, here is one more good news.
What is it? Tell us fast.
The Bajaj Alliance has promoted Dinath Bhaiya to the post of area manager.
Is it?
Yes.
There is no end to my surprises in this world of Baba.
Let us move with him. Sai is our captain and we his brigade.
बाबा है, अरे बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर। बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर। वो दिखाए राहे रोशनी, वो दिखाए राहे रोशनी, हम दिखाए उस पर चल कर। बाबा है, बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर। अरे बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर।
झुम 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 झुमरताना, झुमरताना रे, झुमरताना रे। झुम 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 झुमरताना, झुमरताना रे, झुमरताना रे।
अंधियारे को पल में बदल के उजला सवेरा कौन करेंगे?
बाबा करेंगे साईं, बाबा करेंगे, बाबा करेंगे साईं, बाबा करेंगे।
घर को हमारे स्वर्ग सा सुंदर मंदिर जैसा कौन करेंगे?
बाबा करेंगे साईं, बाबा करेंगे, बाबा करेंगे साईं, बाबा करेंगे।
बाबा है, अरे बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर। बाबा है